good bypass. So you don't have to go through Masafi and Al Baid, and so it's a lot faster. I think they only opened it up like 4 years ago or so. I don't know, something like that.
And where are we going?
The mountains. Fujairah. We're gonna try to go up through Wadi Shish and Wadi Madha. So that'll cut across from Masafi through the mountains on a, I'm assuming, gravel road, over to the coast. I've been on it once, but that was like 14 years ago, so I don't know what it looks like now. It also rained a lot the last few days, so it might not be passable.
We will find it. What's that? No. Hey, are you coming? You need a jumper, it's freezing. Corey? Are you coming?
Well, it's not that cold.
No, it's not that cold. Not as cold as that. It'd be much more very cold.
So we're just stopping off.
We're just down in a little.
That's handy though. That's handy.
The thing is, I'm stepping on rocks and I don't know if they're stable.
Tell you what road I was on, or if I was only dreaming. Don't you wanna know? Don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road? You say, don't you wanna know? Don't you wanna know that it will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look back?
What's north?
We're going to Wadi Shish. Gonna go there first, and then we'll see it and the pools. And I think there's a little village. I think I remember this one. The one where you like park, and then there's the stairs that go up to the little village if you want to see that, and the little pools.
Okay.
And then we'll go maybe see that.
Ooh, it's very bumpy though.
Nadwa or Nod something or another cave. And Wadi Madha. And then drop in on the coast. I am assuming the roads will be passable, but it doesn't look so bad so far. So
yeah. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,
a lot of goats.
Won't stop
for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
So the road's
closed ahead.
no, the road's not closed. The road is closed
Cloud.
with a U. So it goes down there, and you can see the water's eating it all the way. You wouldn't be able to make it down through there anyways unless you had a rock crawler or something. It's supposed to go through here and then up through that wadi there and on.
That's okay. So we're gonna turn around and try another way.
Just go back the way we came and then take the highway up and in. Not quite as cool, but
It was still beautiful anyway.
Yeah.
What is this, Troy?
I have no idea. This is just a random giant mud puddle off the side of the road.
It's beautiful
Literally.
though, isn't it?
Yeah, the water looks really nice. Like, I'm still not certain I'd get in it, but
It's so nice, all the families having fun around it.
yeah. I mean, it is a wadi. It's whatever the wadi is that the road follows.
It looks, the color is amazing.
So technically, it is a wadi pool.
Where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Really cool redwood forest, as you can see. As you cannot see, there's a lot of, like there's parking out there, but it's just full of cars. But luckily we found this little parking area that has kind of a nice entrance to the water.
Like literally
So we're just chill here. And then yours finally pops.
Oh yeah.
The killer ducks attack again. If you don't know, ducks are my second worst, are my mom's second worst nemesis behind stairs.
Yep, that's very true.